Hello friends, once again welcome to my Nuance Watercolor. So I will going to paint this one picture for on account of Vijay Dasmi Durga Puja. So hope all you are well. So let's start step by step. First of all, I had just give a water brush on the pictures to moist the papers, and then I will do the sky. The sky will be in dark time. It's evening, so I will be painting within crimson red, cobalt blue, and a little bit of ivory black. And then this is the on the background, this is the river, so I will paint the river water in the background. It will be a dark. As it comes forward, it will be a light in color as the light is falling. This is the picture I am going to paint, and this is the time at the evening, and it is a dark time, and the sun has just set down, and the peoples are ready with the immersions of the goddess Durga. So this is the 10th day of the Durga Puja, so all peoples are just cheerful with the mother goddess to give him a bye for the year. So this is the goddess Durga which I am going to paint. This is the chalchitra which is on the backdrop of the goddess Durga, and this is very colorful, so I am painting with it green and with it orange and light blue. So all the colors I am putting in make it more colorful, and I am using my number 6 brush for this chalchitra for making it very colorful. And the goddess Durga and its all daughters and sons I am going to paint and giving a touch only and not so much detailing, and just giving a remind that this is the goddess Durga. So I am painting their body parts, and there's all the ornaments which they are wearing, and this is the demon. I am painting it in green in color as usual, and this is this lion on which she is standing, and this is the lion. I am painting it in yellow ochre only, and a mixture of brown sienna, that is I am putting it on the hair of the lion only. And all this will be in the dry mode, not so much wet mode, because otherwise the color will just spread here and there and it will be more problematic. And this is the little Ganesha I am painting between crimson red and white, its body color. And now the sari portions of the goddess Durga and its daughters. Just remind that this is a goddess idol I am going to pay, which I am painting just now. So make it colorful so that it looks beautiful. So I am using each and every color very minutely, and it will be a dark in color, and so that it can attract. All these are his ornaments and the crowns I am going to paint, and these are in yellow ochre in color with a little bit of orange mix. And in the beneath this there will be a smoky part, because during these idle immersions many people they carry these types of smoke with them. So I am just giving a hazy touch at the beneath, no such detailing over there. I am using this cobalt blue over here. the hairs, which I'm going to paint with the cobalt blue and the ivory black mixed, and not the direct black. This is the shadow portions I am doing at the backdrop with the darker color, which I am using the back the idol. And this is one of the, once again remind that this is one of the main festivals of West Bengal, rather in the mainly among the Bengalis. So this is a 10 days festivals, and now it has gained more importance after its course is UNESCO heritage tag. So this is one of the 10 days festivals in which many people become engaged, and they become very much mm, they become very much lively and merrymaking, and the fun dance and all things occurs during these 10 days. So this is the Dasera. This is the last day on which the goddess Durga will be immersed. And the history of this thing is that in these days also our Ram, the goddess Ram, also killed the Ravana. And to celebrate these killings of Ravana, many people also celebrate Dasera also side by side. So now back to the picture, and these I am the painting the figures at the back, and these figures are not so much prominent, but I will give us only a touch to make give its presence over there. So three people are playing darts, you can see in the pictures, and others are just enjoying and just dancing here and there. So I will give that effects also. And then in the front there are many people who are also very much busy in their dancing. I am just giving the reflections over their effects only. I am using just the cobalt blue and the bronze china and the crimson red at the base of the pictures. That is the floor portion. Now this is the dark I am going to paint, and giving the shadow and the light also. I am using the crimson red and the brown sienna and a little bit of ivory black to give these shades in the dark. This is one of the main instruments which we used to play during this puja time. So many people are wearing new clothes and dancing in the roads along with this goddess Durga. So these figures are depicting this one only. And this is the shadow, not so much shadow because it will be a dark time. Sun has set down, so not so much light is there. So whatever the light of the street light is there in the pictures, that shadow will all automatically come in the picture. This is the shadow of the wall as well as the human figure. I will using the cobalt blue and the crimson red only for giving this shadow and light effect. And now with my thinner brush I am just outlining the figure. This must be done to increase the contrast of the picture. So whatever will the color I am using, I am just giving a shade with the darker one to give the effects of light and shadows in the picture and to also increase the contrast. And now at the backdrop I am giving just the water ripplings. I'm using the Persian blue and the crimson red and a little bit of ivory black also. And finally I had completed this picture, so with the help of the black ballpoint pen I give making some detailings out in the figure. This is not so much necessary but it looks more beautiful and it's increase the contrast, so I am doing this. It is not necessary to do. So almost these pictures now becomes very much colorful and all people are dancing and enjoying. So I had already completed my pictures and watercolors, so hope you like these pictures paintings. So I will be gladly accept your comments and also give your like shares and if you like my painting too. So we'll be meet in my next blog. So till then stay well, stay happy, and wish you a happy puja to everyone and happy Bija Dasami to you all.